Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the evaporator fan motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove all of the freezer compartment shelving, along with the bottom drawer. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the lower evaporator cover. Slide the cover up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the middle of the upper cover. You can now lift and support the cover to access the evaporator components. Lift out the evaporator fan motor assembly and depress the tabs to disconnect the wire connector. Pull off the fan blade. Depress the tabs to release the motor retaining bracket, and you can remove the old motor. Prepare the new evaporator fan motor for installation by transferring the 2 motor mounts and the slinger from the old motor to the new one. Position the motor in the housing and replace the retaining bracket to secure. Slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft until it is fully seated. Returning to the freezer compartment, connect the wire connector and position the fan motor housing. Remove the support, realign the upper evaporator cover, and thread the 2 middle screws. Slide the lower cover into place and rethread the 4 screws to secure. Replace the bottom drawer and reinstall all of the shelving. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.